Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to my daily chart analysis video for Nifty. Uh, Nifty had a very amazing bull run over the last 7 days. We made a low of 19 to 24 on 31st of August. This is the red candle. And since then we have made a one-way journey over the last 7 days. It's almost 800 points up move that Nifty has seen in last 7 days. In today's session, we have opened a gap up, and Nifty actually opened up this resistance area. It has already covered in the gap up opening. It came down a bit, made a low of 19,865, still way above the high of the previous session. So it did not even come down and test the previous session's high. It made just a low of 19,865 and then had a continued movement upwards and kind of made a high of 20,008 and closed at around 19,996. So amazing bull run. Let's just go and check the 15-minute chart. Oh, I also want to show you something about if I put a 1 hourly chart and zoom out a bit. You see, this is actually going ahead and making a, this is the rounding pattern for Nifty. So it's making a very nice rounding pattern. A breakout above that can take Nifty's to the new high. So let's just go ahead and check the 15-minute chart and understand more about Nifty's move for tomorrow. So this is the 15-minute chart. Let's just zoom in a bit. Okay, so Nifty had made this one-way move from 7 September onwards, and in today's session as well, Nifty opened gap up, as I said. It opened above the resistance level. So in yesterday's video, I talked about this being the resistance level, right? I talked about 19,888 being 19,850 to 888 would be the resistance level, and I said in yesterday's video, if Nifty opens or crosses the 19,900 level, we can see the rally up to 19,990. That is the previous life high for Nifty. So exactly what happened as discussed in the yesterday's video. So Nifty opened a gap up here, came back down and made a low of 19,865. This is still above the resistance level, and then had a continuous upward movement. It was a slow movement, not that a fast movement, except for the last 30 minutes or 1 hour. When Nifty, let me just zoom in a bit. So in last 1 hour or so, Nifty kind of made a slow upward movement. It was a consolidated session, as I discussed yesterday as well. Nifty was consolidating throughout the day, and as soon as in last 1 hour Nifty crossed this particular mark, it made a one-way move upwards and crossed the 20,000 mark comfortably. Now for tomorrow's trade, it is very important for Nifty to sustain this 20,000 mark. So if Nifty opens gap up or even at the same level and then crosses the 20,000 mark or consolidates here a bit and crosses the 20,000 mark, we can see a very nice rally again. On my weekly chart analysis video that I uploaded on Saturday or Sunday, I gave the targets for Nifty, the first one being 19,888, then 19,990, the life high, and then the next target I gave was 20,122. So it looks like Nifty is all set to go and achieve that. If Nifty crosses this 20,000 mark with conviction and open and trades above this mark, we can see the next target for Nifty as 2120. It could be in tomorrow's trade or a day after, but this is what Nifty looks like heading to. And above that, if I just zoom out a bit, so 2120 is the next target. Above that, it will be 2250 to 80. And if Nifty manages to close above 2250 to 80 level, then the third target for Nifty would be 2450. So Nifty is all set to achieve those targets, but in tomorrow's session, For us, it's important that we trade the price action. If Nifty opens flat or gap up and then crosses the 20,000 mark and stays above it, I think it will be a good trade for a long position or a buy call of Nifty. Again, we should make a stop losses. Let's just talk about the stop losses as well in case we miss the targets. Okay, one more important thing before we talk about the stop losses here. So since 7th September, since when Nifty has started the journey upwards, we haven't seen a time when Nifty came back and tested the previous swing low. So we made a swing low here. Oh, let me just zoom in a bit for better understanding. So Nifty made a swing low here and then went up. It made some red candles here, but it did not come back and tested this previous low. So similarly, here Nifty opened gap up, came down. It did not pass the breach the previous swing low. So it is basically, these swing lows are just support levels for Nifty. So Nifty is not even coming down and testing it. It is just going continuously up. Same here, it came down here, made a red candle here, but did not come back and test the previous swing low, right? And then now it is going up. So for us in tomorrow's trade, again, as I said, the bias is upward green, and we can take a long side trade above the 20,000 mark. But for us, this more important thing would be the stop losses, right? The stop loss would then become this level. This is the previous swing low, right? That Nifty, made a low off and then went up. So like now 1940, 1935 level would be the 19935 would be the stop loss. And if Nifty comes down and test here, then breach to a downwards, then again this particular region that was the resistance level earlier now will become a support level. So 19,900, 19,888, 877 will become a very strong support. This will be a very, very strong support for Nifty. So again, it's a buy on dip market. So if you see Nifty dipping intraday, it will be a buying option. You will see buyers getting active and then taking Nifty back to the highs. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit a like button. Please click on subscribe button and the bell icon to get more notifications on my upcoming videos. And please leave the comments if you have any questions. Thanks guys. Thank you.